Hi, Mark here, Thursday, April the 9th. It's going on 9 a.m. Eastern, 1 p.m. GMT. Let's have a look at the US dollar. Strong sell-off yesterday, but then the dollar did fight back later in the day after the gap lower. But today, giving up those gains, US dollar being sold off so far today as the US session gets underway. I've got support at 98.64, resistance at 98.94. We'll see where the buyers of US do step in at the support area, 98.70, and look back up to retest the 99 on the upside, or dollar weakness. If that's going to be the theme for today, sellers will look to test this support on the downside. Let's have a look at the majors so far today, and the euro against the US, euro continuing to strengthen against the US. That's weak US dollar we're seeing against the euro, supported 116.45, and I have resistance at 116.89. Buyers going to test that level, the 116.89, 116.90, look up at the 117 or higher. That will be buying euro, selling US, a continuation of dollar weakness like we're seeing on the index. Or if US dollar does step in, US dollar buyers, a bounce down off this resistance area and look back down at the support level, or lower, looking back down at the 116 on the downside. Pound against the US. And here, similarly, we're seeing weak US dollar, pound strengthening again, fourth consecutive day against the US. I've got support at 133.81, and I've got resistance for now at 134.31. We'll see where the buyers buying pound, selling US dollar weakness continues, and a test of this tough resistance level. If US dollar buyers step in, a bounce down off the resistance area and looking back down below 134 and 133.81 on the downside. US dollar against the yen. US dollar fighting back against the yen. Strong sell-off yesterday. Slight gap up to start and has continued the uptrend, small green candlestick for now. Uptrend today, the overall trend is down. Dollar weakness, dollar fighting back. Let's just put in, there's my resistance for now. And there is my support. So I've got support at 158.61. I've got resistance at 159.11. Sitting at that 159 level right now, buyers will look up, test this 159 and look higher. If we're going to see US dollar sell-off, US dollar weakness, sellers will look to bounce down off this area and look back down at the 158.61. But we're seeing US dollar strength here as opposed to the two European currencies that are at the moment, we're seeing weakness against the euro and the pound. Let's have a look at the US dollar against the Canadian. And here, let's move out. There's my resistance at 138.62, and I've got support at 138.31. Sellers will look to test, like they did yesterday, to test this downside, selling US, buying Canadian, that's weak US dollar, see if that can continue, push lower, or if buyers are going to step in, buyers of US, sellers of Canadian, and look for a bounce up off this support and look back up at the resistance around the 138.62, perhaps even look higher up at the 139. But you can see the last 4 days, US dollar weak being sold against the Canadian. EMAs are down, lower highs the whole way. We'll see how that does play out through the rest of the session. Good trading. Keep that discipline. We have resistance support levels all being tested right now, and I'll see you at end of day.